Have you beaten the guy yet, Wes?
Huh?
Have you beaten that guy yet?
No.
Can you?
No. Shut up! Oh, I lost. See, those. Can't see me! He won't let me whoop that me. Okay.
Now I'm having Thanksgiving at my own house, huh? Hey, wait a minute.
Scoot you. I can't even feed them.
They ready to go on the road? Alright. And then we say the name, like, we'll do it West. West. Wait. I'll do the first one, you say the second one, okay? Then we'll do...
Say it.
Go. After this, like, after I bend down and bend up, then we'll start, okay? Ready?
Wait till I bend up again. So.
West. We are happy to see you. West. We are happy to see you. West. We are happy to see you.
Alright, we got it.
Idiot.
And then at the very end.
Gina, what you do? We're gonna go surprise Amanda. She just got here. Come on. Let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
We are happy to see you. Amanda, we are happy to see you.
Hey!
Had any money, I throw it at you. Don't have it.
Woo! I'm on the TV. Wait, we need to figure out how we're gonna do this.
That's not good.
Everyone, we are happy to see you. Everyone, we are happy to see you.
Maddie, come over here.
No, ma'am. Your coat's at home. Trevor, when'd you get blue hair?
It's green. Hey, I use blue.
It's at home, honey.
Get your color straight.
It's the color of that jacket right there. We don't need one. Look, Julie doesn't have one on.
I don't have one.
Neither does Brandy. Nobody. Yeah, you don't need it. You don't have a coat on.
Maddie.
I got one kind on.
What time do you get off from work?
What day?
What day? What's the latest?
5.
Grandma.
You get off at 5:15?
Yeah.
I thought you worked in the morning.
On Saturdays.
Oh, I thought during the week you were working in the morning.
Sunday I work 1 to 5, 15. Saturday I work like.
You sound like a tire that is gay. Except for your nose. Oh, good. Oh, good.
Maddie, come here. There's no mouse.
Hey, it's Maddie!
Hi, Maddie.
What was that? It was like Maddie coming in.
Yeah.
Scottish in the
Hey,
house.
Sonia! Hey,
Scottish,
Sonia!
baby.
See, look, Sonia has a gun.
That's right.
See?
It's not a gun.
Scottish.
Please. It's like a
Hey.
Scottish.
West.
Wales.
And it's top. Whoa.
Trevor. Hi, Trevor.
Diggy!
Watch out, Maddie's right there.
Oh, now y'all got Maddie involved in all this?
Yes.
Why are y'all doing?
You missed it.
Oh, sorry.
No, Rain. Yeah,
Dukey's crazy.
Is that Rain? You wanna go play in the rain?
She burned my finger.
Grandma! And she's still spinning that damn cigarette.
Alright.
Isn't it a beautiful day today?
Going back. Hey, Diggy!
What's going on? You alright?
Nicky!
Look at them. Oh my gosh.
Diggy!
Y'all come in out of the rain.
Diggy!
I thought y'all had no sense to get out of the rain.
Diggy! Diggy!
At least you got mad at me when I told you that.
Barefooted ever.
I don't know.
Diggy!
Oh, watch out.
I'm sorry.
Y'all been out there getting all wet.
This is easy. See? How easy?
Wait, is that yours?
Hey, Trevor.
Krista.
Oh, how easy? No, that's not your mommy. Your mommy's right there.
No, I'm not his mom. Okay. Oh no, what are you doing? What are you guys doing?
That's your mommy.
Dad!
What?
What's she gonna do?
What do you want? Hey, Trevor. Trevor, your sister.
What am I doing?
Hey, Trevor, your brother. Trevor, it's your brother.
Saw her, did he? I didn't see her that day.
Diggy!
Come in. Come here.
Come here. All they're all waiting.
In. Go in.
Everybody, this is John.
John.
Diggy!
What John? John.
Oh, Trevor.
I don't know Trevor.
I'm 15.
Would you look at that? Look at the two weirdos. Oh gosh. I think I escaped. What? Get away from me! Look at that beautiful old truck. Yes, it is. So beautiful.
Back to you.
Let me see it.
Give it back to
Let
you.
me have it.
No. I got camera.
Oh, thanks, I'm drunk. Hi.
I got camera.
Control your
I got camera.
Give it back to me.
I got camera.
Maddie, look over here.
I got camera.
That's Tina's camera. Say hi. Wave your hand.
I want someone.
Adam and
We got that little camera.
Let me see it.
Some lady sold
Give it back to me.
Hi.
That's gorgeous. The figure is just unbelievable. Yeah, why did you do this? She just said, well, I wanted you to be attracted.
Hey, you went out.
Is Maddie gonna go to sleep?
Diggy, you catch me.